You don't need money to move abroad. All you need is courage. You don't what? You don't need money to move abroad. All you need is courage. Courage to make the right applications. Courage to leave your bed and work on those applications. To use those free opportunities that can help you achieve your goals. Now, if you don't have money and you've got a bit of courage, you've got a bit of determination, you've got a bit of persistence to do the work that's required, stick around, because I am recording this video just for you, because there's an opportunity that I want you to take advantage of, and it's open right now. So this video is for you.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Did you know you can change the audio language on this video? Just look for the settings icon, click on it, select audio track, and choose the language you prefer. Enjoy the video in the language that works best for you.
Hello folks, you see I'm with my laptop this time. That means this is huge. It's your one and only Wakawaka Doctor, always bringing you the best gist when it comes to travel and migration. You know how we do it on this channel. All we do is share information that has to do with living abroad, working abroad, the whole shebang, the whole abroad thing. If you want to move abroad, this is where you need to be. You don't need to bother about going anywhere else. This is the Abroad channel. This week, we've got testimonials from left, right, and center. And take a look at this one I got in my DMs. It's live. She's moving to France. No story. She's moving to France. Easy peasy. And all it took was to watch a video from my YouTube channel. Let's take a look at this testimonial again. On his way to Switzerland, he even sent me a picture of his visa. Take a look yourself and see. So you don't say, it's Wakawaka Doctor. He's just manufacturing things. Look at it. He did it by himself. And it's all by using videos I am making on my YouTube channel. So, if you want to move abroad, this is where you need to be. Okay, two quick things that I like to pass across in all my videos. Number one, I am not on Telegram and I'm not on WhatsApp. If you do find anybody in the comment section saying that you should reach out to them on Telegram or WhatsApp, it is not me. The only way to reach me is in the description box of this video. Please don't waste my time, okay? If you need my help, you want me to help you with anything, send an email to admin@wakawakadoctor.com and follow the instructions. Okay? If you need my time, it is not free. If you want free resources, watch my YouTube videos, watch my TikTok videos, watch my Instagram videos. But if you need my time and you need my guidance and you want to speak to me, of course, it is not free. Send an email to admin@wakawakadoctor.com and you'll be able to reach me. I will sit with you and have discussions with you and guide you. Let's get into the groove of the day. I'm excited about this video because if you don't have money, then you can take advantage of this. Before I start, let me warn you people that you watch videos and you don't like, you don't subscribe, you don't share. Something is happening. Like videos, share videos, let others benefit from it, okay? So, there is an opportunity, numerous opportunities that people don't have access to because they don't know. And all it takes is one website. And I'm going to share that website with you so that you can take advantage of that website, okay? It's very, very important. The website is here, as it shows on your screen. This is the website, okay? And I'm going to show you how to navigate it. There are 12,000 different opportunities, 12, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12,000 opportunities that you don't understand. 12,000 opportunities that exist on this platform. The website is called europeanfundingguide.eu. europeanfundingguide.eu. Now let me say this to you. There is no need doing this if you don't have certain documents available. Number one, you need to have your passport. Okay, you need to have your original passport available. Number two, you need to have the transcript of your previous degree. So if you're going to do a PhD, you need to have transcript of your master's. If you're going to do a master's, you need to have transcript of your bachelor's. If you're going to do bachelor's, you need to have transcript of your secondary school qualification. So that's number 2. Number 3, you need to have an academic CV. Academic CV is different from professional work experience or professional CV. It's not about your career. It is an academic CV. Number 4 is for you to have 2 letters of recommendation. Okay, have 2 letters of recommendation handy. Number 5 is to have proof of English language. If you don't want to write IELTS, get a letter from your university saying that you were taught in English. Okay, proof of English language, that's also very important. It might be better for you to write IELTS to give you a better chance, but if you don't have IELTS, you can always use the proof of English language. Now, for these opportunities I'm going to show you, age doesn't matter, your qualification doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether you have a 2-2, it doesn't matter whether you have a 3rd class, it doesn't matter. Just go through the steps I'm going to show you and you go through it. So quickly, before I tell you the gist of the day, I want you to share this video. Make sure you like, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you just share to as many friends as possible. I also want to tell you that there is a masterclass that I created just for you. A masterclass that you can buy that is very affordable, that will give you opportunities. You're in tech, you're looking for scholarships, you're looking for how to apply to jobs, you're an engineer, you're a teacher, you're a lawyer, you're in healthcare, you're in tech, you're looking to move to the United States for free. I got everything covered. You've applied for jobs, but they're not calling you. This masterclass has everything all. And I've created a special link in the description box of this video for you to be able to get that masterclass, okay? So go to the link and get the masterclass. Now, let's talk about some myths first. Go on that website and you can see exactly what I'm going to show you. It's a 3-step process. 3-step process on the website. Number 1 is you fill in the questionnaire. Fill in the questionnaire. Then number 2, based on what you filled in the questionnaire, you will get 12,000 different scholarships based on your profile. 12,000 different scholarships based on your profile. Then number 3, you will get money to fund your education. Okay? You get money to fund your education. Now, let's talk about 5 myths about scholarships and grants in the EU. 5 myths. Number 1 is that some people say all scholarships and grants are awarded on basis of merit or need. No, this is not true, and you can see clearly here, it is not true. Okay. Number 2 is that there are only a few institutions that offer financial aid. Wrong. There are more than 12,000 scholarships, grants, loans, and other funding options in the EU. Number 3, you have to be in your 1st semester to get support. It's also wrong. There are many programs targeting established students, and financial aid is available 12 months of the year. If you continue to look, you'll find more opportunities. You see? You can see it yourself. You're reading it. Number 4, too many people apply for scholarships. This is not true. In fact, over 2/3 of students never apply for any scholarship. And the 5th one is that finding the right program and applying takes forever. Not anymore. With this guide, you can do it in a few clicks. Easy, simple. All right, now let's go to the form. The form is just here at the top of the screen and you can see it. You can also check the various tabs that you have there: funding overview, scholarships, grants and loans, financial tips, finding internship, how to apply. You can use all that. Do that at your own time, okay? Go through the website at your own time. But I want to show you how to use this website. Now you see this free search, degree. Let's say you want to do masters. So click on masters. Stage of studies, not yet started, right? If you're in the beginning, you can click beginning. If you're in the middle, you can put middle. If you're in the end, it depends on your situation, but I'm going to choose not yet started. Now, country, let's choose a country. Let's say that we want to go to the Netherlands. So I'm going to choose Netherlands. Academic discipline, let's say I am business admin, business administration. So let's type business administration. And we start, it will give you the options, okay? Business administration and engineering. Start your free search, okay? Once you click on start your free search, you would see that you need to register, okay? You will need to register. So choose a username, okay? Choose a username. Let's say Wakawaka, okay? And email address, Wakawaka, Wakawaka Doctor @gmail.com. Okay, I'm showing you so that you see that it's not Fugazi. Choose a password. I'll just choose any password. Okay, I'll choose any password. Okay, and the country you can see is the Netherlands. Everything is here. University. Which university is your home university? So you have to write the home university that you want or you graduated from. So let me click on the box above. I have not decided at which university I want to study, okay, because I don't know. So I'm going to tick that box. And then stage of study not yet started. Academic performance, what did you graduate with? So let's say average performance. Okay, let's click on average performance. Are you currently employed? No. Past job experience, let's say internships. Let's just say internships, okay? Then scroll down. I have read the terms and agreement and create a new account. Okay, once you create a new account, you then fill the second stage. Your nationality, Nigerian, okay? Age, let's say 30. Gender, male. Religion, choose anyone. Christianity. Personal criteria. Just let's choose anyone. I can say migration background, doesn't matter. Financial status, let's say high financial need. Okay, you can choose any one of them depending on your situation. No own income, financial needs, sufficient. You can choose any one you want. Civic engagement, okay, let's say no engagement. Language skill, English, and you click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will see that it brings out a new tab. 82% of my profile is completed, and I have 7 funding options for my studies. And then I have 19 scholarships for my study abroad. And look at it. It gives you everything. Guys, why is it that you do not subscribe to my YouTube channel? Why? I'm providing information to help you move abroad, yet I find that so many people watch my videos, but they don't subscribe to it. Yes, when I check my analytics, I see that a lot of people use my videos, but they don't subscribe. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you drop comments so that I can interact with you and I can answer your questions. Okay, what should I do? What do you want me to do before you? Should I kneel down? Should I beg you? Should I roll on the floor? I can do it easily. All right? We're just trying to help more people. So please just subscribe to my videos. Okay, share them. Let's help more people move abroad. Thank you. Personal funding recommendations, you can see. There's one that says, like this one, institution SPIE. And the name of the scholarship is DJ Lovell Scholarship. You can see it. 670 euros per month for 12 months. You can see the John Kell Scholarship. I guess 610 euros for 12 months. You can click on see more. Okay, if you want to see more options. There are many programs. And when I click on more, you can see the 6th one. I'm getting 2,000 euros once. So it depends on your situation. There are funding from 600 euros per month to about 2,000 euros per month to about 4,000 euros per month, depending on your situation. Okay, so this website is an important website that I want you to take advantage of and use. Okay, don't say Wakawaka Doctor did not help you. I don't want to hear it that you say Wakawaka Doctor did not help you, because I have. All right, so I hope that this video has been able to help you in one way. That's it. It's very simple, very straightforward. Take advantage of it now before things change. Thank you very much for sticking around and watching till the end. Till I see you again in another video. It's Wakawaka Doctor, and I'm signing out.